I will practice to write the SQL queries. The first question is display details of games with their codes. Now this is the table, club and member. These are two tables. So we have to use these two tables to write the query. Display details. Details means all the details. The query is display. Display query means you have to use select. And with select we always write from. So what you have to select? Details means all the columns. So either you write names of all these columns or you can write asterisk. From which table? The table name is club. So from club you have to write the details of the game with their G codes. So all the details you want to write, to select asterisk from club. Next question. Display details of those games which are having fees more than 10,000. Again display query, so you'll write select from. Now what you have to display? Details, all the details of the table. So either you write names of all the columns or again you can write asterisk. From the table name is club, so from club. Now do you have to display all the records? Again you read the question. It is written are having fees more than 10,000. So you have to select only those records where fees is more than 10,000. So the condition is based on the column fees. So how to write the condition? It is written with where part. So where fees more than means greater than. Greater than how much? 10,000. So 10,000 semicolon. Now next question. Display code and name of games in descending order of start date. Now again it is a display query, so you'll have to write select from. What you want to display? Code and name. See what is the heading of this column? Code is heading code and name is G name. So while writing the query you have to use the column name. So you'll write select code comma G name from which table? It is table club. So from club. Now you have to display all the records because no condition has been mentioned in the statement here. One more thing is written descending order of start date. So for order we use order by clause. So order by. So these are two different words. So put a space between them. Order by which field you want to use. Again read the question. Order of start date. Now it is written start date but there is no column start date. Okay, so you try to find out which column matches this start date. It is ST date. So you'll write here ordered by ST date. Now the order ascending or descending, it is descending here. So you'll have to write DESC semicolon. So this was the next query. Now next, display sum of fees of each of the number of participant groupings. It means in the question what is asked, you have to display sum of the fees where number of participants is 2, then number of participants is 4, then number of participants is 11. So you have to separate these records on the basis of number of participants. So it is a group by query. So how will you write? Again it is display, so select and from this. So you'll write what you want to display, sum of fees. So sum of fees you'll have to write sum and column name is fees. So sum fees. This is what you wanted to display in the question. Each of the number of participants. First write from part. From is the table name club here. Now group by. Because you don't have to add all the fees from top to bottom. You have to separate the fees on the basis of number of participants. So it is group by number. Now next question. Display the highest and lowest fees. So again it is display query. So write select from. What you have to display? Highest and lowest fees. So for finding the highest we use max function and for finding lowest we use min function. Okay, which column you have to find highest and lowest? It is fees column. See, the heading of fees column is fees, so you'll write max fees comma min fees. From the table name is, it is club, so you'll write from club semicolon.